Affiliate marketing has been such a huge revenue stream for us in our business, and this is why I'm such a huge advocate for it. Honestly, y'all, I've made over thousands of dollars just by promoting products that I use and love within my content. Affiliate marketing is super powerful because as your audience starts to begin to trust you, as you promote certain products, it makes it so much easier, and it's a natural review that you're pretty much giving that makes it easier for them to want to make that purchase, but then also they don't have to go find, the item on their own and risk getting something that's cheap or will break down or is not as good quality as the one that you promoted, which is why I love affiliate marketing. We have things that we have around the house that we use all the time, that we promote all the time. Why not make a small commission from it? So while some people may not think making 50 cents to $1 or whatever off of a $20 product isn't a lot, I promise you, if you have the right strategy, it does add up. So let's hop into the strategies and the tips and tricks that I have for you to jump into affiliate marketing, especially as a beginner. So first and foremost, you're gonna set up your affiliate marketing accounts. So the rules to become an Amazon associate, you must have an active website, blog, app, or YouTube channel. It also is super helpful if you have a pre-populated site with content so it appears active and authentic to both users and Amazon. So that part is for Amazon. Those are some of the rules that are there. I became an affiliate a while ago, so the program probably has changed. So I will put the link down below in the description box for you to go and check that out with the rules that you need to be able to apply, to get involved, all that stuff, okay? The next kind of part of part one is look at other companies that you use all the time. Do you go to Sephora? Do you go to Ulta? Where do you go? And do those places have affiliate programs that you can be a part of and link your items? Another one is reward style. I know a lot of people use that. I personally haven't even gotten into that yet. I need to. However, that is another option that you have, is like to know it, reward style, whatever it's called. That's a really awesome one too. So you can check out those, check out just other, like I think Sephora has an affiliate program. Also, you can become an affiliate for courses, you can become an affiliate for like coaching programs, things like that. So if there's something that you love, always look to see if there is an affiliate bonus to it. So that way when you promote it, when you're just naturally talking about it, you can add the link, send them the link, and then you actually make a small commission off of that. Part two is now that you have your affiliate account set up, you want to create an overall affiliate strategy. So I want you to be thinking of what are different like product categories that you can be promoting certain things in, and we'll get to why this matters in a second. So an example of this is pet supply items, baby items, kitchen decor, reorganization items, laundry room organization stuff. I don't know, children's books that you love, books that you just love in general for personal development. What are different kind of categories of products that you can be thinking of? You want to write that down as you're going, okay? Right, like think of it like that, as like, how can I categorize these things? Because the next part is that we're gonna think about what type of videos can I be making in order to then promote these like sections of products. So for example, I'm gonna be doing a laundry room redecoration video, which I'm so excited about. One, because it's gonna be a lit video, but the main reason is I wanna redo my laundry room. I want it to look good. Yeah, not good. Anyway, so I'm doing that video, and I've already created my Amazon, in my Amazon storefront, I've already created a new list about like laundry reorganization items that I'm literally going to be using to like feature in that video, but not just feature in that video, that I'm gonna be using just overall within my laundry or reorganization process. So think of it like that. Now that you have your like categories, what are different videos you can do? Maybe I do a video, it's like day in the life of Dash. Dash is my dog. And we're going throughout his day, and in that video, I'm featuring products naturally things that we use that I have affiliate links for, and I link everything down below in the description box, right? So think of it like that. So another great example of this, and this is a video that I had go absolutely viral and honestly made thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars just from affiliate marketing alone, was my DIY backdrop video. In that video, I didn't make that video really in the mindset of like, okay, this is gonna be an affiliate marketing strategy. I really made that video because I was like, this is gonna help people. And then from there, I was like, well, they're gonna need to know what exact backdrops that I'm gonna use for this, what curtain rod I'm gonna use, what drill, what this, what that. I link everything in the description box, and boom, affiliate like marketing and passive income is coming in years after the video is even made. So think of it in terms of like categories or like camera equipment. Think of it in terms of like just other things, especially if you're a YouTuber. People are going to ask you all the time, what type of camera do you use? What type of gear do you use? What are your tools look like? If you have all that in one place, one, it makes it super easy for your actual audience, but two, it allows you to actually create affiliate links and then promote those within your video. So now that you have your categories of your products that you want, or just like specific products that you have in mind, and you also have your actual video ideas that you're starting to create based on your category groups, I want you to be thinking in terms of like, again, what products can I feature in a kitchen remakeover or whatever, or a pantry reorganization video? What products can I feature and then link in my description box, link that are attached to that video that are affiliate links? What, maybe one item, maybe it's like literally I have my camera right here, and I actually have a video coming up about the best camera for new content creators, and I believe it's the Canon M50 Mark II, whichever one. And I'm literally shouting out this camera, and guess what? In my description box, there's going to be an affiliate link. So you can do a single product, like shout out a single product review and then link the item in the description box, or you can also group them into like categories like we've already talked about, and then have a whole video that features multiple different products. So as you have that, be sure you're pumping out content on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, whatever your main platform is or platforms. Be sure you're creating videos in order to drive people to those actual affiliate links. So just have affiliate links and don't drive nobody to them, because it's not going to do anything. You're not going to make any money from it. You're not going to help anybody in terms of being able to kind of point them to the right items that they're actually looking for, because your word is pretty much the best review they can really have if they already have trust in you and they're already in your community. So think of it like that. You are providing value, you are helping them, because I don't want to go look out for all these different pantry items. Like, I would much rather go to my favorite YouTuber's account and be like, oh, she did a pantry reorganization, let me go buy all the things she has because I love the way hers looked. You know what I mean? That's saving me time. I will 1000% shop her Amazon links, one, because I want to support her, two, literally because I don't want to have to go find all this stuff myself. You see what I'm saying? So just think of it like that. Number three is, where do I even add these links? So, okay, I've set up my Amazon account, I've set up my affiliate accounts, all this stuff. I now have these video topics, I have my product categories, I have, you know, all this stuff kind of working. Now, what do I do with the links? What you're gonna do with the links is you are actually going to add them to your YouTube description box if you have a YouTube channel. You're gonna add them to the link in your bio, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Pinterest, whatever your main platforms are, be sure you're promoting those links. And another example of this is actually on my website, and I want you guys to use this as an example. I want you to look at it for yourself. If you go to andreadenise.com/tools, it literally is a full page of my favorite items, and all of them are affiliate links. That's literally the strategy that we use over here. Is like, we are shouting out products that we love, but we do get a small commission for it, and we do disclose that. And it is a way for our community, our audience, to support us in a way that doesn't cost them anything, right? And so you can put it on your website. You can put these links on your website and create like a really nice page of all your favorite things. Maybe you have a category on your website that's like laundry remakeover. I'm literally just thinking like this because I'm about to do this, but a laundry remakeover, a pet supply, like favorites, favorite books, etc. But you can like just go on my website and you'll see what I'm talking about in terms of like how we categorize them. But every single one of those links on there is an affiliate link. So you can add them to both social, you can add them to your website, you can also add them to an email list. Pretty much add them wherever you can is pretty much what this point is saying. Okay, here's another quick tip when it comes to the links. Okay, shop your own affiliate links. Shop your own affiliate links. There's that. Next is whenever a friend, because I will have friends be like, hey girl, where'd you get your nails from? Hey girl, where'd you get your eyelashes from? You know, little things, right? Oh my God, I love that, like that bodysuit, where'd you get it from? And if I got it from a place that I have an affiliate link like associated with it, boo-boo, best bet. And my friends know this at this point. They're like, girl, send me the link. And they always know it's gonna be an affiliate link. So send your friends, send your family, send people who are asking you, whenever they ask you about like, hey, where did you get this from? Send them the affiliate link for it. It'll give you like a small commission. Here's another gag, okay? Whenever it came to Christmas last year, my parents were like, what do you want? And I was like, okay. I sent them my affiliate links for the actual products. Boo-boo, that was Christmas times 2, honey, okay? So anyway, that's just something to think about. Keep that in mind as you guys have affiliate links. How can you like push those out? How can you shop your own links? How can you make sure that they are visible? So pretty much put your links everywhere you can. While affiliate marketing is not our main form of income within our business, I have made, again, like I said, thousands of dollars from passive income when it comes to affiliate marketing. A very pretty penny, okay? So if you have not started, if you have not jumped into it, I highly encourage you to at least go set up your links, okay? You don't have to know every single video you're gonna do right now. You don't have to know like, oh, I'm gonna use this specific link for this. You don't have to know that yet. That's totally okay. This is why, one, I love shopping on Amazon because it's super convenient, but I also love shopping on Amazon because I'm a part of the Amazon Associate Program, which means anything on Amazon, I can create an affiliate link for Amazon, okay? So you don't have to know all the products up front, but I just highly, highly, highly encourage you to go ahead and set it up. Even if people are like, hey, what book is that? Send them the affiliate link, okay? If people are like, oh my God, what devotional is that? Send them the affiliate link. Oh, Andrea, what Bible do you? Affiliate link, honey. Okay? Like seriously, and I want you guys to think of it in a way that you are sending them the direct link to save people time. Don't ever feel like it's sleazy or whatever. Like, you don't have to always be like, oh, I can't tell you which product this is because it's link in bio. You don't have to do like that. You can literally tell them, hey, yeah, I film with my Canon M50. If you want the direct link, here you go. You see what I'm saying? There's a difference. So don't be sleazy with it, right? But just know you sending them the affiliate links is helping them as well as it is helping to support your business and your channel overall. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, I want you guys to check out the next video, which is actually my DIY backdrop video that I referenced earlier. And I want you guys to look within the video, and I want you guys to notice the strategy that I'm using. Whenever I say strategy, this does not mean it has to be like this like mastermind plan or whatever. No, it can simply be like, hey, I decided to make a backdrop video, and then the links are in the description box. And I will say that several times within the video. So check out that video. It's a great example of what I'm talking to you guys about today. So check that out. Let me know what you think and click on some of the links, see what happens, etc. Check it out. So I'll put that in the description box for you guys as well. I will put it up in the cards for you to check out. And yes, so you guys, as always, I love you to the moon and back. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me whenever I do here with my channel. And I will see you guys over in the DIY backdrop video. All right, bye y'all.